I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make taco pasta salad. Start by cooking pasta to al dente and cooling it under cold water. Next, crisp the vegetables and toss with taco seasoning, mayo, and a splash of lime juice. Mix in cheese and beans, then taste and adjust salt or spice. Chill briefly to let flavors meld before serving. In this video, I will explain how to make taco pasta salad. Measure and prepare all ingredients before you start to streamline the process. Cook pasta until just tender, then rinse and cool to stop cooking. Combine veggies, cheese, and beans in a large bowl and sprinkle in taco seasoning and dressing. Toss gently to coat everything evenly and taste for seasoning, adjusting lime or salt as needed. In this video, I will review how to make taco pasta salad. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. I picked up a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that changed how I think about saving and spending, and it pairs nicely with meal planning on a budget. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make taco pasta salad. Begin with properly cooked and cooled pasta, which keeps the salad from becoming soggy. Whisk a creamy dressing with mayo, lime, and taco seasoning for consistent flavor. Toss pasta with the dressing and veggies, then fold in cheese and beans carefully. Chill the salad for at least 20 minutes so flavors bind and textures settle before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.